Namaskar. Welcome to Government e-Marketplace. Bulk Update. This document covers the step-by-step guide for the utility which enables the buyers and PAO or DDO to update their pending payments in bulk. This would be applicable for 1. Shipments where the payments are not in an initiated or closed state. 2. Product or service orders created till 31st March 2021. 3. Services orders where invoice is already generated and bill may or may not be drafted by buyer. There are primarily 3 cases covered. 1. Shipments where invoice is generated by the seller and CRAC is done, but bill is not in the initiated state. 2. Shipments where invoice is generated by the seller but PRC may or may not be done. 3. Shipments where no invoice is generated online by the seller on GEM. First scenario, for shipments where invoice is generated by the seller and CRAC is done, open gem.gov.in and click on Login. Enter user ID, the CAPTCHA text and click Submit. Enter your password and click here to proceed. After logging in, click on Dashboard to proceed further. Click on Bulk Payment Update, CRAC issued. User will be redirected to the screen from where they can generate the CSV file to view the eligible orders for bulk payment. Please follow through the guidelines defined here to update the details in CSV file. Click here to generate the pending payment report. Click here to view the generated report. You may download a report by clicking on the Download tab next to the file name once it is generated. Click here to download. On the CSV file, the buyer would need to update the paid amount, payment date and deductions if any. Click here to upload the updated CSV file. Click here to generate OTP to further process the file. Enter the OTP and click here to verify. Upon OTP verification, the uploaded file would be processed and its status would be displayed. If the file is not processed completely, partially complete would appear under status and reason will be mentioned under processing errors field. Second scenario, for shipments where invoice is generated but PRC or CRAC may or may not be done. Click on Bulk Payment Update, Invoice Issued. Click here to generate the pending payment report. Click here to view and download the generated report. On the CSV file, the buyer would need to update the PRC date, PRC quantity, CRAC date, CRAC quantity, freight charges if applicable, total amount, CRAC quantity into unit price, payment date, net paid amount and deductions if any. Click here to upload the updated CSV file. Click here to generate OTP to further process the file. Enter OTP verification. The uploaded file would be processed and its status would be displayed. Third scenario, for shipments where no invoice is generated by the seller. Click on Bulk Payment Update, Invoice Not Issued. Click here to generate the pending payment report. Click here to view and download the generated report. On the CSV file, please update the requested information for processing. Click here to upload the updated CSV file. Click here to generate OTP to further process the file. Upon OTP verification, the uploaded file would be processed and its status would be displayed.